Hello there, it's John, probably better known as the Kodaro Kid, and today we're going to use Webstart to access TenantEye N4 in the browser. So let's get started. So first, you're going to take your Kodaro TenantEye zip file, and you're going to want to extract it, and then open the folder, open this folder. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open the Kodaro TenantEye N4 guide. So you always want to have this open whenever you're doing any installation or configuration or what have you with TenantEye N4. So we'll have this guy in our back pocket. And then what we're going to do is we're going to copy this jar, the Kodaro TenantEye jar. And then we're going to navigate to our C drive. And then from here, we're going to go into Niagara. We're going to use the latest installation. You want to use whatever Niagara installation you're going to use for TenantEye. Navigate down to our modules. Double click in here and paste. Once TenantEye's in your modules folder, if you have Niagara running, you want to restart it. But in our case, we're going to just start it up. Here's Workbench. So this could take some time, so be patient. There we go. So first things first, expand your My Hosts. Go down to your platform. Remember, your login credentials for your platform are the same for your Windows. Or same as your Windows, I should say. Once you're logged in, you want to navigate to your station copier. You can also get there through the nav tree. Then I made this station to demo the installation of TenantEye, but you're going to want to use whatever station you want TenantEye to run on. So I'm going to select it, copy it over. Then, make sure that both of these are checked. Start after install and auto start. Finish. Open application directory. We want this to open. Then our station is going to start. Give it some time to boot up. All right, there it is. So there's a couple more things we gotta do before we can access Webstart in the browser, or access TenantEye in the browser with Webstart. So we're gonna close the platform. Oops. Double click the station. Use your credentials to log in, whatever ones you set for it, for the station that is. Right, so this is the host, or this is the IP we're going to use on the property sheet. You can see it right here as a property host. But we got to configure some things on the station first before we can do that. So first thing, expand to station, expand the config, and we're going to install the tenant billing object on right here. To do that, go down to your palette, open the palette. Type in Kodaro, or type in Kodaro until you find this Kodaro tenant. Hit OK. Then you want to take the tenant billing object, drag it to config, drop it. We're going to name it tenant billing. You can name it whatever you want. Then once that's there, we're going to double click it. See, here's Kodaro TenantEye. And we're going to create a user for it. So click add. I'm going to name my user manager. And Kodaro Kid will be the name. The email will be a fake email. So don't try to use it to get support. password, set your password. Recommend a strong password here. And make sure the role TenantEye Manager is selected. Hit OK. Awesome. Click here, we go back. Yep, you can see the user has been created. Now we have to configure 2 services before we can use Webstart. Almost there. So under config, click open up services, navigate down to web service, double click to access web service property sheet. Then on HTTP enabled, change it from false to true. Click save. Then navigate up to Fox service. And under Fox enabled, set from false to true. Click save. Then navigate back up to your station. Click it. And remember, we're going to use this IP right here. So I'm going to open up the browser here. I'm going to type it in. 168.9. Yep. Hit enter. All right. Now you should be able to see this message right here. And to connect using Java Webstart, click here. And we're going to click it. Definitely going to keep this. Let it download. Click it to run it. This can take a moment for it to start. Click continue and run the application. All right. Great. So as you can see, here's a TenantEye login with the username that we created. If it's not there, just put the username in. And I'm going to use my password I made to log in. This could take a moment for it to load up. There we go. As you can see, there's a user we created, and that's how you use Webstart to access TenantEye N4 in the browser. So I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.